up, Dallas? Welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another video. But today's video is not a tutorial. Today's video is going to be a fashion haul with Fashion Nova clothes. I did with my boyfriend. He bought me some clothes, so I'm going to try them on for you all. I'm going to show y'all the pieces that I got and also the names. I already wore one piece. I will link the piece right here. I'm going to get into these bag of goodies. I also have a outfit in here that is not from Fashion Nova, y'all. It is a cute jumpsuit. I will leave their site in the description right below if y'all want to know what site this is. I did go pick this outfit up. It's in Chicago, y'all. So if y'all in Chicago and y'all want some cute jogger suits or anything from her site, most of her stuff is sold out, but hopefully she gets it back in stock. But anyways, I'm going to change this to my first outfit. This outfit right here, actually, the shirt was from Akira and these pants was from Too Cute. If you haven't been to Chicago, Calumet City, River Oaks Mall. If y'all been to River Oaks Mall, y'all would know what I'm talking about. I got these pants from Too Cute. You can get them from Fashion Nova because I do have a pair of pants in here that are black and for Fashion Nova. So let's get right into the video. This is the second outfit. I'm putting up 2 on each hand, now 4. This is the second outfit. It's so cute. I love jumpsuits because it fits my shape. I need to get skinnier. Y'all see me? I absolutely love jumpsuits, y'all. Definitely my go-to when it comes to like chill outfits. I think this is a cute chill outfit. It has the ties on the side, which is so cute. Right here, you can either tie them looser so the boobies can come out more, or tighter. I'm fine with this because my boobs don't need to come out no more. My tattoo is healing, y'all. It's healing. After it's completely healed, I think I'm gonna go back and get more red. This is the I'm limited edition biker romper, y'all, because it stops right here. This reminds me of the F It Up Buttercup shirt that I wore. It's an old video, like down below, probably like a year or 2 ago, that I wore it. But yeah, this is so cute and it reminds me of the shirt. But yeah, this is in a size medium. I know that for a fact. If I went any smaller, it would have been really tight. Y'all, it would have been really tight if I got a small. Just already snug to the point where, okay, I could have did a large, but this is fine. This is fine. This is that perfect fit. And I could loosen these up some if I wanted to do that. This is the first shirt. I am absolutely in love with this shirt, y'all. Look at this. So pretty. I know my nipples are showing, but if you have nipple covers, you can use nipple covers for these. I am going to blur out my nipples. But yeah, this is a shirt. It is so cute. I see that shape. Oh. And this shirt kind of matched my nails because y'all see the green peeking out. I had to keep the pants on for this one because I don't have any pants to go with this shirt yet. I think I'm going to put either purple pants with it or some I don't know, white pants, but I think purple would go good with it. I seen a girl on Fashion Nova site and she had purple pants with hers. My mama also has a matching shoes to match these, so I might get the shoes too. But oh my god, y'all see this shirt? I got it in a size small, so that y'all won't be confused with what size I got it in. And the name of the shirt, Keep the Spotlight Front Tie Shirt, well, tie top. You tell from when looking at that picture of this top that you probably would need a small or whatever size down from what you usually wear. I usually wear a medium in the top because my breasts, and I want my breasts to be covered. You already know I don't like my breasts. So some tops I have to have a medium so that they can cover my breasts. I had to get it. My mama got one as well. But yeah, this is the first one. I wish Fashion Nova would send me some more products again. Look at those arms. Do y'all see those? Ooh. I'm going to switch to the next piece. I'm not going in no specific order at all, so I'm going to switch to the next piece. I'll be right back. Are y'all ready for the next piece? This is the next piece. I'm looking at my finder right here. This is the next piece. It is so cute. So I wanted chill clothes, y'all. I didn't want any like dresses or anything extravagant. Like, I need some clothes that I can put this on right here, get cute, go outside, have a matching purse, matching bag. Ooh, look at that shape. If I put my butt up, my hips come out, y'all. Y'all see that? Because when I be sitting down, they come out. Anyways, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I love this dress. I love this dress. Hey, I love this dress. Hey, it's freaking cute. Hey, hey, because I'm a savage. Hey, classy, bougie, rich. So I got this in the size medium. It's the Savage mini dress. If you look it up or want to search it, I will leave it in the description bar below as well for all the items that I show you. But yeah, out of all dresses or out of all things that I try on, this might be my favorite because this dress feels like a soft comforter. I don't know if y'all ever felt a really, really soft comforter. The ones at Walmart that you just, those throws that you get and lay on the couch and put on. This how this feels. It feels so soft. It is so cute and so basic. I mean, it's not even basic. It's cute, but it's, you can dress it up or down. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try the next dress and I'm gonna come right back. This is the fourth piece that I have right here. It will be so cute. I love the color. I don't know. I love the nude feel. I love the nude vibes, the white, nude, taupe, all those kind of colors. But the only thing with this is I feel like I should have got a small. The reason I say this is because this part right here is loose. It could have been a little bit more fitted. And then this right here is loose as well. And I don't know, I don't like that. So maybe I might have to get it altered to where it's fit tight right here. Look at that. It's super loose. Tie it. I don't know if it goes this way or what. You know what I'm saying? Maybe it does. Maybe it does. Maybe I tied it wrong. I think I tied it wrong. If I tied it wrong, I would probably wear the bow in the back. So that's gonna go. So yeah, I thought, but that's probably wrong. So this is called Made to Cut jumpsuit. I was about to say it didn't make the cut because of how loose it was, but I'm pretty sure I tied it wrong. It's supposed to go like this, and I'll probably just tie it in the back to where the bow falls. I will insert a picture right here to show y'all how it actually looks, because in my head I don't know how it looks. I can play this up or down as well. Like I said, I got all basic outfits. This first shirt wasn't really basic, but I'm finna get into the next outfit and I'm gonna come right back. I want to show, I gotta hold the mic because I want to try to see the dip, so that's why I'm holding the mic. I want to put it right here. But this is the shirt. These pants are not going with this, I don't think. No, I don't think. I want to show y'all the pants and the shirt because they are both separate. I don't have anything to go with it. This is the shirt. It fits my titties perfect. I have a hard time finding shirts that fit my breast. Always needed some black pants, okay? Some black shiny pants because I have outfits that don't have anything to go with them. The leggings are called Liliana Faux. They're leggings, y'all. This shirt is called a Heartbreaker bodysuit. So it's not actually a shirt, it's a bodysuit, y'all. I'm going to figure it out, and this is the back of the shirt. This shirt is so cute. I mean, all these outfits that I picked out for him to get are so cute. I did get accessories as well. These glasses are called Booed Up glasses. Here are the glasses, y'all. Yeah, feels comfortable. I have a size medium in the shirt and a size medium in the leggings. Like I said, anything, I don't really do small unless, you know, it's big and I try it on, but I don't try Fashion Nova clothes on. So I just get a size up. Like these pants, I mean, I could do the medium, but I could have did a small so they won't be loose, but they're comfortable. You know what I'm saying? I'll probably pair different. You can pair these with that. I mean, these with that. You can pair these leggings with this shirt, but I want to do it. This is another like biker short romper, so you call it. I wanted to show you all this and come closer. Those ponytail clips, like you have a back ponytail, you can put this on your ponytail, like a gold one. I'm swinging it like I got a ponytail or something. This is called They Plait Me Hair. They Plait Me Hair. Y'all, if y'all ever wanted one of those things or those gold things, or like to stick it at the top when you have one of those ponytails, like Coming to America styles, and you want to put this at the top, this is cute. They're called Animalistic Sunglasses. These are how these sunglasses look, y'all. It's Romper. right here. I don't know, you can see the words on my shirt, y'all. This is called the F Off Biker Romper, and I think I might wear this tomorrow. This is so comfortable. Like I said, I wanted a chill outfit or some chill outfits that I could just put on and wear. This is cute, and I love rompers because they fit my body so right. Versus from other stuff, they fit good, but rompers really show my shape, and I think it shows anybody's shape. This is a size medium once again. To try this last piece on, and yeah, let's go. I'm sweating this one. It is so cute though. It is so cute. You can tell, you can't even tell I got straps on. But yeah, I do got straps. Clear straps. This dress is so cute. I got some glasses, y'all. I'm gonna put them on. This dress is called Wild and Richard. Girl, don't get me wrong. See, y'all already be talking about me. She don't know how to talk. I'm like, look, that one, no. Wild, and I'll put it in the description right below. Fox dress, y'all. So this, and these glasses are called Let the Good Times Come. These are in black, like the other ones. Let me try these on, y'all, for y'all. Okay, glasses. Come on, glasses. Look. Glasses was cute. These are cute. I can see me wearing these. Just to be wearing them with some lip gloss, glasses and gloss, okay? Right here. Into this dress, I did get a size medium. If it's just right, I don't need to eat anymore at all. But yeah, I got this dress, size medium. I love the way it fits. The only thing is, these, just like the pants I just took off, when you sweat, you feel it when you take them off. Like, you feel the sweat coming from your leg or from your body. So these leather dresses, baby, night, summer night, not summer morning, summer night, because this, you're gonna be sweating. But I love it. I love the way, like I said, everything is fitting my boobs right. Everything is fitting my boobs right. And I did look at it like, okay, these look like it'll fit. This is like a birthday dress, like a change my outfit birthday dress. You know, club, sitting in the club. Hello. What's up, Zaddy? You got them coins? If you ain't got them coins, then we can't talk. Sip your drink, you know, that kind of. Oh. Get that bread, get that head, then leave. To the next outfit. These are all the outfits that I be looking for. I look for outfits like these because you could just throw it on and go about your day. If y'all know any site that sells outfits just like these, the two-piece set, the jumpsuit sets, let me know. Comment in the description right below because I would love to know, because I would love several of these pieces. It's so comfortable. The only thing is it's sheer. So if you don't mind wearing no panties, don't wear no panties. But if you want to wear panties with black or black thong, you know, whatever. These are the leggings right here, and this is the jacket. I'm kind of disappointed because it's like something black on this. So I'm gonna see if I can scrub it out. I did take a picture prior to opening it so I could show her. These were $30 a piece, so I bought two. I had an orange one, and when I put the orange pants on, it ripped in the middle. Careful putting them on because what it's gonna do is you're gonna need to snag something. So be very careful when putting these on. It's comfortable. I love the jacket. Yeah, y'all. It's so cute. This is cute. This seems like a little workout suit. I'm finna go in the store, get my groceries. Y'all know this how this feel. This is bad right here. This is a fit, all size fits all, so small to large, I'm pretty sure. So if you are large, if you are size large, you can wear this. So it's like really stretchable. The site that I got it from, Ed Girl Wear, y'all, and I'm gonna link him in the description. I think she's black owned. Yeah, she's black owned. So I'm supposed to be going to Fort Walton. So if y'all in Fort Walton, Florida, hit me up, let me know, because I love to link with y'all on the beach. I don't have anything else, but if y'all messing with this haul, don't stop this video, comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next fashion haul video.